You've seen us install our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime in a bunch of vehicles before, and now on BimmerTech we're doing one more with the X4. Our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime will give you access to all of your favorite apps right on your iDrive screen. Easy to install, plug and play, and 100% reversible. Now let's have Jarrett show you how to install it on an X4.
I didn't do it.
First, use some BimmerTech trim tools to remove the AC vent trim like so. Once it's free, disconnect the start-stop button by pinching and pulling, and the black and white connectors by pinching and pulling as well. Next, use your hand and a trim tool to remove the lower trim. Pull off the LED light. Remove the 5 T20 screws holding the main fascia in place. And while you're here, remove the 2 T20 screws for the screen as well. You'll need these out eventually anyway. Pull the fascia off and remove the 2 connectors by pushing down the tab and rotating the arm. Lastly, remove the 4 T20 screws holding the head unit in place and pull it so we can begin disconnecting it. To start disconnecting the head unit, pull up on the white tabs for these connectors, then pinch and pull. For the quad lock, rotate the arm and remove the connector. For the last few, pinch the tab and pull. Set the head unit aside. The last part is to remove the screen. Pull from the bottom and rotate it out. Disconnect the one video cable by pressing the tab and pulling. Now we'll start with adding the BimmerTech goodies. Start by removing the factory fiber optic cable from the BMW harness. Take a pick tool, pull the tab up and slide it out. Take the BimmerTech plug-and-play harness and snap the fiber optic cable into the same spot it was in the factory harness. Take the factory BMW harness and plug it into the BimmerTech plug-and-play harness like so. Rotate the arm down to secure it into place. Tuck the harnesses back behind where the head unit will be. Our MMI Prime is going to live behind where the screen goes, so we're going to route our cables up there. Take a large cable tie and feed it down the right side behind the head unit housing, like so. We're going to attach our cables to it to pull it through. Ignore this one, Jarrett forgot what he was doing. Take the power harness and tape it to the cable tie, like so. Pull the cable tie up to get the cable in place. Next, take the green BimmerTech video cable and place it here. It will be plugged in later. For the wireless antenna, remove the backing of the double-sided tape and place it up here, like so. Now we're going to feed the AV USB harness. The USB part will be located near the passenger footwell. Start by taping the USB jack to a large cable tie and follow the same path as you did previously. Remove the cable tie and feed it up the trim like so. Tape the USB jack to it once more and pull it through to its final position. Let's get the MMI hooked up. Plug in the antenna, AV USB, power, the non-90-degree side of the green video cable into LCD out, and the purple BMW cable into LCD in. Make sure the dip switches are set correctly for the screen you have, and then shove the MMI Prime in. Okay, not literally, Jarrett. Now we start the reassembly. Take the other end of the video cable and plug it into the back of the screen, and put the screen back in place. Replace the 2 screws you took out before. Take your head unit and plug everything back in, except this time you'll be using the BimmerTech quad lock. For the quad lock, push it in and rotate the arm down. Once everything is back together, make sure the harnesses are clear from behind and slide the head unit in place. Replace the 4 T20 screws. Before going any further, you may want to do a quick test. Plug your start-stop button back in and turn your car on. Hold the menu button down on your iDrive controller and you'll switch over to the MMI Prime. Pair up your phone and make sure everything is working, including the sound. After you're satisfied, reinstall the front fascia. Make sure the connector arms are down and rotate them up. Replace the 5 T20 screws. Snap the LED back in on the lower trim and snap it back into place. For the upper trim, plug the start-stop button back in and the last 2 connectors as well. Snap the trim back in and you're done. So that's how you install our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime in your X4. Guys, if you want to get one of these for your vehicle, super simple, head on over to our website, enter your VIN so you could find the kit for your vehicle. For more installation videos like this, tips and tricks, and so much more, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. And if you want this installed in your vehicle and you're in the Orlando area, well, come on down and we can take care of that for you as well. Thanks for watching.